Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change display refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So first tap on the settings, scroll down and tap on display, and now tap on motion smoothness. Here you have two options, standard and adaptive. Standard is when display is always in 60 Hz mode. That means it is good for battery. So if you want to save some battery, use standard option, and if you want maximum smoothness, try to use adaptive. Adaptive means that display switching between 60 Hz and 120 Hz automatically. If you're reading something on the internet or reading a book, it will be at 60 Hz. But if you start to move in the menu, display automatically change to 120 Hz. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Bye.